Why handmade soap? There are a number of benefits to making your own soaps. Handmade soaps should not be confused with commercially produced soaps, many of which are not actually soap at all, but they're detergents that contain chemicals that are bad for both the skin and the environment. Now, not all commercially produced soaps are bad for you. The ones that are made completely naturally in the same way that handcrafters make their soap, those are totally fine and they are soap. But if they have chemicals in them, they are detergents and cannot be considered natural and are really not good for your skin at all. So the first benefit to making your own handmade soap is that handmade soaps contain naturally occurring glycerin. Glycerin is an emollient that is both mild and moisturizing to the skin, and actually all soap starts out having the glycerin in it. But the commercially produced soaps often remove the glycerin, it's stripped away, and it's either sold off or used in other products such as lotions. Now, it's good to be in the lotion because it is moisturizing to the skin. However, if you take the moisturizing bit out of the soap, then the commercial soap is going to be drying. Glycerin is a clear, thick liquid. It is shown in this picture that we have on the slide. And you can purchase glycerin from soap making suppliers both to use in your lotions and those type of products, but you can also use it to put into soaps for various different reasons. Now, handmade soaps are created with natural vegetable oils or animal fats. Now, remember, the commercially produced soaps are detergents, so they contain chemicals that can be harsh to your skin. A handcrafted soap is getting all natural vegetable oils and animal fats, and you choose your oils based on the properties that you want to bring to the soap. Handmade soaps are sustainable and environmentally friendly. Unlike your commercial soaps, the handmade soaps do not contain phosphates and detergents that can pollute the environment. Instead, oils used to create soap are extracted from crops, which can be replanted year after year. Now, there are some oils that there's a little bit of controversy about as far as its sustainability, but we will talk about that at a different point in the class. Additionally, handmade soaps are typically not tested on animals, which is definitely a good thing. Handmade soaps can be custom formulated. There are endless possibilities in your choice of oils, your fragrances, colors, additives. You can design a soap that meets your specific needs, or you can design a soap based on its looks. Handmade soaps make you more self-reliant. You can make your own bath soap, facial soaps, laundry soaps, cleaning products. All of these are better for your skin and the environment. And if becoming more self-reliant is part of a bigger picture for you, such as you are working on making your own homestead where you plant your own crops and you live off the land that you have and you make your own products, then the handmade soaps are contributing to you becoming more independent, more self-reliant. Handmade soaps are versatile. They can be given as gifts. You can use them for yourself to suit your own individual skin needs, and they can lead from a fun hobby to a thriving business.